really hard to know me, and I haven't done quite videos, you know, I've only done a few. So I'm doing this one, and someone's actually sent me a parcel and that. They're called Stephen. Thanks, Stephen.
Very kind of Stephen. And Stephen's username on YouTube is Ssm0379. So
Now,
thank you, my friend.
Now I am going to open this very delicately, and if I cough, it's just because I've got quite a cold.
Yeah, just cut through the tape in the middle.
A bit harder than I thought, actually.
It is, because it's quite long, darling.
It's a bit hard.
Right, just let's have a... Do you want me to cut from this other side, or can you do it?
I think I can do it.
Because you're cutting into the cardboard a bit there.
I think I might need to.
Yeah, that's fine. There you go, darling.
Oh, this looks awesome, Steve. Oh, I think I know what's in here.
Right, just be careful.
Oh, oh, what's that? It's like a map.
South Carolina.
Oh,
What
that
is
must
it?
be like a special.
One amazing mug, the geography collection. So it'll
mug.
tell you all sorts of bits and pieces on there.
Mug. Thanks.
Wonder if
This
we
is
can-
gonna be awesome.
Wonder if we can take the lid open and have a look. Oh yeah, we can.
What I'm going to do right now, I think I'm gonna have to do the video.
Yeah, you can have a look after, darling.
Well, I think this is actually a lock, and I might get it out.
If you use scissors again if you need to.
Yeah, it's might be a bit easier. There. A pair of scissors again. There. Aha! Now this looks quite delicate, so I'm going to open up a special way.
I think that'll be alright.
Whoa! Some keys.
Wow.
Whoa.
Let's have a look at the lock.
12.
12 on that side.
None of the other.
I think he sent that and he said you'll be able to rake that one open. Let's have a quick look at the keys. Alright. That to one side because the battery's running low.
Looks. Oh!
It's alright, we're fine, darling. You just...
What happens if it goes off and we haven't finished?
Be alright, we'll just edit the video.
You do another video?
Edit the video. We'll be a
Okay.
crop
this
two
looks
into
very
one.
special. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm just going to make sure. I can see why this says silicone on the front of it.
Just watch your fingers.
Look at this stuff. What is this? Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
What is it? What is that?
It looks to be. Let's...
Turn it around. Turn it around, Dad. How's it turn around?
Key ring. And you've got a $1 note from America.
Oh, thanks.
And
You are the best.
that looks like a magnet. Could be a magnet.
Of the tree, might be a tree in it. I can't believe it. I think this is the best parcel I've ever got so far.
You manage.
Aha!
Look at that. Wow. Master padlock.
Yeah, master. Oh, two more. me see this one. Now this one's awesome. This one's awesome. There's something else.
It's like a master padlock, but that is, let me look, it's a Brinks padlock.
Ooh, that sounds...
With keys.
And...
Wow.
Oh, okay. This looks very, very...
It's alright, don't worry, it's just sellotape.
No, it's going to stick into me. It's going to keep it on me. So, I think I know what this is. I think this, yes it is what I think it is. It's a case.
But have a look, see what's inside it.
Yes, it's stuff.
Let's move the bubble wrap.
I wonder if you'd actually have something in. Dad,
And I've just emptied that out. Look at all those coins there. And a fridge magnet. And it is a key ring. That is fantastic, Stephen, my friend.
Dad.
Wow.
I bet you feel jealous now.
I
Dad.
certainly am, my friend. Look at that, guys. There are hundreds of tools in there for Pickbaby. That is outstanding, Stephen. That it really, really is. I'm gobsmacked. My little boy, Pickbaby, now has more picking tools than me. That's fantastic, it really is. And let's have a look. Warded picks.
Oh, I just saw something else that's awesome. Oh, I lost it, yes. Found it. There's also this wiggly lock. There's one that looks like a snowman.
Yep, that's a snake rake, yeah, and that one there, just take it out for me, darling, the one that you said looks like a snowman.
I mean, it looks like a snowman.
That is, if you offer it up to the camera, you're right with saying snowman, because that's a snowman ball pick for wafer locks.
And this one also looks like a check lock. That one.
Which one's
That
that?
one.
That one, that's a key extractor. Are you on about that one? So there's all sorts of bits and pieces in there. Are you going to say thank you to Stephen?
Thanks so much for the money, the locks, the cup and the picks. Thanks.
Outstanding, guys, it really is. I'm
you.
gobsmacked. As you can see, Stephen, my friend, is over the moon. So guys, even though it's not a lock picking video, I've got to say this because the battery is actually running low now.
And it is a bit like a video.
It is, it's like a lock picking video, isn't it, darling?
Locks. Look, I've also got some
Picks.
picks. So bye guys. I really love you so much, Stephen.
Thanks for watching. Happy picking.
And please keep it legal.
Fantastic Pickbaby. Cheers, guys, thanks for watching.